BULL stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick short 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all. Because I've have the data and I've done 47,000 videos, I actually have the data and I've seen what's actually printing me cash and what's not. And so the only rate that I'm looking to just double down on this is if it actually goes a bit lower. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and just be that pessimistic guy, but the truth is that it's in a bearish range. And I wouldn't just do it to myself and to you guys trying to be overly optimistic here. Short term, I mean, sure, yes, but come on, it's already even shifted first time lower here. And so this is a bearish market for me, even like on the lower time frame. Wouldn't randomly start selling, but if I sort of see a double break confirmation, we'll definitely go with this bearish side idea. And this is not forever, this is like for right now only, because I do genuinely believe if we start to breaking the tops at 1280, so this could easily be bullish, right? But it's been bearish for such a long time. I'm just willing to ride a wave. And yeah, I do have quite a few receipts in the Discord, so if you want to stay tuned, want to get stock picks, emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and so I'll keep you updated. Okay, bye bye.